Look around you right now. What's your most valuable asset? You see, most people point to their homes. Some say it's the car. Some say it's their, you know, investments, their retirement savings, 401ks and all that, the degrees they have acquired, their careers, or the successful business they've built from scratch. But your most vital asset, let me tell you, is not your house. It's not your car. It's not your retirement savings. It's not even your job, your business, your degrees, or even your bank account, that fat bank account that you have. The truth is, your most vital asset isn't something you own. It's something you are. It's your ability to earn an income. Your most vital asset in reality is you. Think about it. Your house, you only have it because you earn money to be able to pay the mortgage or the rent, as the case may be. Those degrees, they only matter if you are well enough to work and use them or utilize them. Your business, it runs because you are able to make decisions and get the business going. And that retirement account, it only grows if you are still earning and contributing to it. You see, your income is the engine. Everything else, your ability to take care of yourself and your family, your lifestyle, the savings, the money you send back home to your family, those are just the carriages. If the engine stops, the whole train grinds to a halt. So without your ability to work and earn, all those other assets can vanish. But here's what we've seen too often. People spend so much time protecting things, but forget to protect the person who makes those things possible. In this video, friends, we'll show you why and how to protect yourself, the main engine, the income earner, the builder, the asset, before life forces you to learn the hard way. Welcome to Cash Talk for Immigrants, where we educate fellow immigrants on how to navigate the American financial system and make your success story shorter. My name is Wachuku, Vidal Wachuku. Folks, the moment your income stops, everything changes. Your ability to care for yourself, your family, or send money back home. In my years of doing what I'm doing today, I've seen it happen too often. There are two things that stop an income cold in its tracks. One, serious illness, whether it's chronic, critical, or terminal. Two, death. And if either of these two happen, one thing is certain, your income will stop. No earnings. Now, I know, for those of us immigrants and from Africa in particular, we like to say, God forbid. We like to think we are invincible because we're working hard today, we're exercising, we eat well, and we are relatively healthy. So we think. But most times, folks, death doesn't give a 30-day notice. It doesn't care if you are 25 or 65. Very recently, I spoke with a man who lost two adult children 3 weeks apart. They were young and healthy. They were not sick. They were in great shape. And they were only 27 and 33, respectively. Death gave no notice. And here is a cold, hard truth. Just because your income stops doesn't mean the bills stop. No, the bills don't stop. Banks don't have a heart. They have ledgers. They want the mortgage paid. Junior still needs his tuition. The rent is still due on the first of the month. I've seen families lose their breadwinner. And then because they weren't prepared, they lose their home too. They end up crying twice. Once for the person they lost and once for the life that they can no longer afford. But here's what financially intelligent people do. And that's what I expect you to be and do. They don't just say, God forbid, and leave it at that. They plan. He who fails to plan plans to fail. They know that at some point, income can stop. So they set up income replacement. It's a type of life insurance contract you can get for 10, 20, or 30 years, depending on where you are. It allows you to replace your income, whether you become seriously ill or if unfortunately the ultimate happens. And that's the best part. You can get up to 10 times your annual income in protection. Let's say you make $100,000 a year. That's up to 1 million in coverage. If a critical illness strikes, you can pull from that $1 million while you are still alive to pay for medical bills or to help offset your health insurance. Keep the mortgage current and keep your kids in school. And if the worst happens, that money goes to your family entirely. No drama, no long waits, no Uncle Sam, no taxes, and definitely no GoFundMe. It allows your family to breathe. It allows them to grieve without the weight of bankruptcy on their shoulders. They can breathe easily. They will not have to cry twice over. So who is this for? Folks, this isn't just for people in corner offices. It's for everybody, whether you are self-employed, driving Uber, cleaning homes, or braiding hair. If people rely on your paycheck, you are an asset that needs protection. You can and must protect your income. Here's the truth, friends. You are your greatest asset. Let me repeat that. You are your greatest asset. So the best time to do this is right now. Protect that asset while you are healthy. Because once the doctor gives a diagnosis, the window closes or narrows or gets very expensive. As we say in my language, tomorrow is pregnant. Nobody knows what it will give birth to. Pause. Think about your kids, your parents, all the people that depend on you, that rely on you. They don't just need your money. They need you healthy, covered, protected. My dear fellow immigrants, let's stop leaving things to chance. Let's stop thinking we are invincible just because we are strong today. You want to know more? Let's have a conversation. Click the link below and book a free 30-minute Zoom session with us. No obligations, no cost. There's no pressure whatsoever. We'll just look at your situation and show you your options because you are the asset, and assets like you deserve to be protected. Even if you already have a policy, let's talk. We can help you review it and see if it will meet the needs of your time, if it will meet the requirements when push comes to shove. Again, I am Wachuku, Vidal Wachuku of Cash Talk for Immigrants. I'll see you on the next Zoom call.